All Pro Gutter Guards is the leading source of gutter guard replacement services in Furlong, Pennsylvania, with a wide range of options to meet your specific needs. Our team has mastered the art of seamless and efficient replacement to keep your home safe, and we offer competitive pricing to ensure you get top-tier replacement services. If you have any questions, please contact our gutter guard replacement professional. Are you looking for a gutter guard replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. How often do you need to replace gutter guards? The longevity of a gutter guard hinges on its material composition. Gutter guards crafted from aluminum or stainless steel can endure for over 20 years when adequately maintained. Do gutter guards require maintenance after replacement? Yes, gutter guards should still be inspected and maintained regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Debris can accumulate on the surface, so occasional cleaning is necessary to maintain their effectiveness. What is your service area for the Furlong, Pennsylvania service office? Our gutter guard replacements serve the following: Furlong, New Britain, Doylestown, Chalfont, Hatfield, Colmar, Buckingham, Fountainville, Percy, Sellersville, Souderton, Telford, Harleysville, New Hope, Mechanicsville, Gardenville, Plumsteadville, Dublin, Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Where is your Furlong, Pennsylvania gutter guard replacement office located? We are located at 3488 York Road, Building A, Suite F2, Furlong, Pennsylvania 18925. Our phone number is 267-641-7031. Visit our website, www.appgutterguards.com/furlong-pa.